Hi programmers. Today I'm going to show you how to select a whole lot of rows of data, and you would need this in order to like fill up a one of the combo boxes or to do a report or just anything. You know, the last time we just selected one row. Well, we're going to do lots of rows now. Anyway, first thing I did was I copied this method, copy, and I pasted it in right underneath it. Okay, select one row. Select. We're going to change this to an array. We're going to change this to an array. Uh-oh. Backspace. I don't know how many we have, but just to make sure we get them all, I give it 10,000. Let me make sure I got that right. New string 10,000. Okay. Okay. We're not worried about that this time. Now then this here. Now we're not going to worry about the password. We don't want many passwords. Cut. But we'll keep the church data in. And after it reads 1, we're going to increment ix. And then we'll say return value dot ix equals that. Let me see, check my other program. Okay, we're going to do that if, because we don't want it to be too many, because then you'll get an error. Uh-oh. And that, I believe, is all you do. When we run to test it, for sure, we'll find out if we missed something. But anyway, next time we'll work on something that'll maybe use this select many rows, okay?